Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the severe weather for today's video. I sound a little stuffy today. That's because I feel fine. I'm just a little stuffy. It's the allergies. But besides that point, we have a slight risk that extends from Texas all the way up to Mississippi. And then we have a marginal risk that goes all the way to Alabama. So today, this slight risk will be going from Austin, Texas, all the way down to Houston to, I think that's Greensville, Louisiana and Texas are definitely in this one. Now, this yellow area right here is obviously going to be the main concern. Yesterday, this yellow area was more that's not what it looked like. It was more like this. So it was a lot more smaller in north, but now it's extended into this. The tornado probability is at a 5% for this yellow chance. I think the main areas that we'll probably be watching will be past this and probably north of Houston. I don't really think there's going to be very many tornadoes or anything down here. Or even like really right here. I don't know if there's any tornadoes yesterday because we did have a slight risk as well. But we also have a 15% wind chance. Which this does not extend throughout the entire slight risk area. So that's different. The hail probability is at also a 15. It extends pretty much all the way down to Houston. I think there could be some smaller hail probably over here, and then the larger possible hail could be probably around there, because sometimes this county right here splits the storm in half. And then it kills it, or the storm will do some weird thing and somehow get past it and it'll get stronger, but who knows. But we're gonna be looking at the weather models today. We have a pretty decent low pressure system with a lot of snow behind it. Then we have these two low pressure systems right here. Now the storm that we're watching is right here, and I'm pretty sure this is actually part of this low, and then this low has its own little thing. So as we play this out, well, then it apparently has no low for some reason. That's weird. So as of right now, Dallas is getting hit. Austin is probably going to be getting hit soon. Oh yeah, I forgot I have to open another one. Also guys, this radar is a really good radar app to use. I would use it. Also, oh, that's for Romania. No, I can't, I don't really think I could take their live streams, but we do have a few storm chasers out in Texas right now. So I'll be watching that later on today. Looks like we already have a slight strong storm, I guess. Max winds are only at 50 and max hail is at 0.75, so that's not too bad. Here's another one. I think this one's... Wait, we have two waves. Then hold on. We have two separate waves. So that actually changes everything that I just said. Okay, so anything throughout this point could get hail, and anything throughout this point could get hail. Okay, cool. as a like for an early forecasting. Day 2 was way over here. Day 3, there is no day 3. Okay. Okay, so this is just gonna be this. Now let's kind of read through this. A large upper trough is moving eastward across the southern plains this morning with an oscillated 70 knot mid-level jet expected tracked by air by the evening at the surface. An unstable air mass spreading inland and intensify early afternoon. Texas initial storms will have a pose of large hail and perhaps tornadoes or twos. Okay, so they're saying that tornadoes are possible. The slight risk also goes down to Houston, and the marginal only goes to, that area. But Austin's pretty close to that. I would say that Austin still has a chance of some strong storms. But yeah, we're mainly just watching this right now, and I guess. Oh jeez, maybe this guy is trying to go there, but I don't know. And then we'll also be trying to watch these storms over here. I think something right here might happen, just in the middle, because I'll be watching that area. Okay, let's go back to the weather models really quick. I gotta go to the stupid eye models. Sorry guys. You know what? Now that I look at this, actually, this looks a lot stronger than it did yesterday. Cause yesterday, this does not look the same. Well, let me actually zoom into Texas here. I mean, yeah, I did not look this strong yesterday, and it looks like this county actually upgrades the storm a little bit. They have a really big lake right here. That's why they're being struggling. But this storm down here might actually have a tornado chance. If it actually looks like this is a pretty decent little storm down there. I will say I think the severe weather on this one will probably be pretty decent for the south instead, because of the of this county up there. Yeah, I mean there's a good amount of cape right there too. So I mean there could definitely be some pretty good storms. And that's unstable cape, so that's definitely strong. Bulk shear. Oh yeah, I mean holy, it's around 65 knots. I don't know what that is in miles per hour. I don't even know. I barely know what I'm talking about. I mean, I know what I'm talking about weather-wise, just not like knots and stuff and freaking all this other baloney. But yeah, this is like a future photograph thing, and clearly it shows some pretty decent stuff, and then it all kind of spirals out. Let's also check our temperatures behind this storm. This is HRRR models, by the way, so it only goes like 2 days in the future. Alright, I see this pretty decent little cold front right there behind this one. Which I'll actually bring out right now because why not? Yeah, so we're definitely in a low. So, but in this little general area right there, it'll be slightly warmer than everywhere else, and then right behind it, or just a little bit in front of it, it'll be all colder. Which I desperately want because it's kind of hot in Texas. So, yeah. But I mean, I might do another video later today on like an update, but that'll probably be it because I have to worry about my own area for a little bit because the temperatures and the humidity are already higher than they usually are. So yeah, we'll definitely have to be watching that. I think these are fire watches, I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken. Because they can't be snow. Oh, no, it's actually fog. That's surprising. This probably means this one's fog as well. Yep. Okay, these are fog. Nope, they just issued another watch. Not a watch, but a thing. Oh, yeah, see? This one went into a special weather statement. But yeah, I think this storm won't be too bad. I don't see any big indications of hail anywhere. Maybe except for like Hope, but I mean that's not even a high. It's not even a high chance. Echo Tops, on the other hand, are going crazy. That's a pretty tall storm. If y'all don't know what Echo Tops is, it's like basically the height of the cloud, like the very top of the storm, and the higher it is, the stronger it is. So this one is at 46,000 feet. So if I'm saying that wrong, and if an actual meteorologist is watching this, that's my bad. This one's at 43,000 feet. So they're all pretty decent storms, actually. They're not too shabby. Yeah, it's some pretty decent little storms here and there. I mean, we also have some scattered thunderstorms further out from this one. Oh my gosh, it's sunny outside. Wow. Yeah, we have a lot of scattered rain showers around here. See, our the lake is like freaking like deflecting. It's so weird. Like it's even south of it. Actually, that's a decent little mini storm. Oh wait, that's a whole line. How tall are you, little guy? No, geez Louise. Very tall. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, we definitely have a lot of Gulf moisture coming up from, well, the Gulf of Mexico. I mean, yeah, it's really starting to pump in, through here. And that would be our low up there. So, yeah, I mean, that's... sorry, guys, I have a lot of congestion. Yeah, I mean, that's a pretty good amount of, this area right there. Not too bad. I do have a better one. It's a college duet page. Or whatever. I don't know what it's called. But this one doesn't go in the future. This is like for right now. Or in the past. Well, obviously I can't go too far in the past, but... And yeah, I mean, that's a good storm right there. And it actually came from California. So this specific storm has been through a lot of states. Let's just say that. Yeah, see, True Color shows a lot more than what the other one did. This one has days. Okay, so no tornado warnings. It's just been a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings. So that's good. And a lot of like watches and stuff. No warnings. Jeez. Yeah, I think that'll be it for this early severe thunderstorm kind of update. But that'll be it for me. Like and subscribe. Happy Thanksgiving, because I don't know if I'm going to repost or not until then. So, have fun. And like and subscribe.